Since web design has drastically improved web animation, it plays a key role for website designers to draw in more number of users. Developers use animation to indicate errors in forms, where to click, improve conversions, and so much more. The attention of a user often follows animations, which is the main reason for their use. Well, hello and welcome back. The websites having animations, they attract more number of people than the static ones. And using JavaScript, we can add animations to our websites. So let us learn how to add animation in DOM using JavaScript. But before that, let us see the agenda of today's lecture. First of all, we will see a basic step-by-step explanation of how to add animation to our web pages with an example. And then there is an assignment for you all. So do you know what exactly animation is? Well, basically, animation is the dynamic medium in which the images or the objects, they are manipulated to appear as moving images. Web animation is used on all kinds of web pages. They can be small web animations that happen as a visitor is scrolling through a web page to draw attention to a particular element, or an animation that demonstrates a product, or a promotional web animation that shows off something entertaining and engaging. Now we will see how we can add the animations step by step in our website. So this is the basic web page in which we are going to add the animation. So in this example, we just have created a div and we will do the animation there. We can create a container like this. So here, all the elements should be relative to a container. Let us see how we can style an element. Here we are styling those elements on which we are going to apply the animation. The container element should be created with style equal to position relative. The animation element should be created with style equal to position absolute. Now the main div container is yellow and it has 400 pixel height and 400 pixel width. And the second div is the smaller one, which is red, and it has 50 pixel height as well as width. So let us see the output. Great, both of the divs are visible, the yellow one and the red one, which is smaller. Now let us see the code snippet for animation and then we will implement this in code. JavaScript animations are done by programming gradual changes in an element's style. The changes are called by a timer. When the timer interval is small, the animation looks continuous. So let us see the code. Here we are setting the interval, and if the test is finished, the interval is cleared or it proceeds to apply the animation. So let us create a full code for animation. Well, the code looks a little bit complex, right? But don't worry, I will explain it to you in absolute detail. We already saw the style part where we gave two different styles to two divs, container and animate. Then we assigned the function myMove to the onClick event of the button. Let us see what the function myMove has. We initialized the ID to null and position to 0. The clearInterval method clears a timer set with the setInterval method. The ID value returned by setInterval is used as the parameter for the clearInterval method. SetInterval has two parameters, frame function and the other is the timer. We stored the ID of the animate div in element to manipulate afterwards. Frame function has the if-else block. If the position of the animate div is 350 pixels, that is to 400 to 50, the clearInterval method should execute or the animation should execute by incrementing the position of top and left. So let us see the output. Well, there is a click here button. When we click on that button, the div is animated from the top left side corner to the bottom right side corner. So that is it for today, guys. And here is an assignment for you. The dash method clears a timer set with the set interval method. So answer this question and we will meet very soon in the next lecture. Till then, bye. Stay safe.